Hello, today we will guide you through how to always appear active on Slack. If you want your Slack status to show that you're available, this is a very quick adjustment you can make directly from the Slack desktop interface. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to click so your status appears active instead of away. To begin, open Slack and make sure you're on the home screen of your workspace. This is the main area where you can see your conversations, channels, and navigation panel. Starting from the home view makes it easier to locate the account controls you'll need for this change. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. This is where your profile and account area is usually located. Depending on your screen size or app layout, it may appear as your profile picture, a status icon, or a small account section. This area is important because it gives you access to your availability settings. Once you've found that profile section, click on the highlighted account area. This will open a small menu with several options related to your profile, status, and preferences. Take a moment to make sure the menu is fully open before moving on, since the setting you need will be listed there. From that menu, click on Set Yourself as Active. As soon as you select it, Slack will update your presence so that you appear active to others in the workspace. This is useful if Slack has automatically marked you as away, or if you want to manually switch your status back to active while you're working. If you don't immediately see the change, give Slack a moment to refresh. In most cases, the update happens right away. Also keep in mind that Slack may still adjust your status automatically later based on inactivity, depending on your app behavior and system activity. So if needed, you can return to the same profile menu and repeat the process. That's all it takes. By going to your Slack home screen, opening the profile area in the bottom left corner, and selecting the option to set yourself as active, you can quickly control how your availability appears to your team. Thanks for following along, and that's how to always appear active on Slack.